Now question number 8, write the greatest. Wait, let me complete this. At the end, last 1 minute I will see. 10, 11, 19 I will see whether what I have to do. Let us continue teaching. Question number 8, write the greatest and the smallest numbers using the, write the greatest and the smallest numbers using the following digits. You are given the digits. Using the digits, write the smallest and the greatest number. Using the digits given, write the greatest number and the smallest number. A is, we are given this table digits. Yes, mute the microphone. A is 3, 4, 0, 7, 5. Then question number B is digits are 4, 1, 5, 8, 2, 0. Then question number C, digits are 0, 2, 9, 6, 3. Then question number 8, D part is 7, 0, 8, 1. Then E, 1, 0, 2, 7, 6, 5, 8, 3. Using these digits, we have to find the greatest number and the smallest number. Using these digits, find the greatest number and the smallest number. So let us start. First, A part. Yes, mute the microphone. 3, 4, 0, 7, 5. These are the digits. For greatest number, we start with the greatest digit, 7. Greatest number, start with the greatest digit, 7. The greatest digit is 7. Then after 7, 5. After 5, 4. After 4, 3. Yes. 3 and then 0. For greatest number, start with the greatest digit, then second greatest, 5, 4, 3, 0. Wait. Yes. Yes, mute the microphone. For smallest number, using these digits, I will start with the smallest digit. Wait. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. We start with the smallest digit, which is 0, but starting the number with 0 has no meaning, so I will start with the second smallest digit. So 0, after that 3, so I will write 3 first, then 0. I will not write 0, 3. I will not write 0, 3. I will write 3, 0. Then 4, 4, then 5, no, 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7, not 4, 7, 5. 4, 5, 7. For greatest number, start with the greatest digit. For smallest number, start with the smallest digit. Then, greatest number for second B part, start with the greatest digit, 8. Yes. Wait. 8, 5. Nobody will speak in between. 8, 5. 4, 8, 5, 4, then 2, 1, 0. 8, 5, 4, 2, 1, 0. Then for smallest number, you will start with the smallest digit. Smallest digit is 0, but smaller digit is 0, but starting the number with 0 has no meaning. So instead of 0, 2, I will write 2, 0. Instead of 0, after 0 there is 1. After 0 there is 1, so I will write 1, 0. Wait. 1, 0, 2. Wait. 2. Then 4. 1, 0, 2, 4, 5, 8. Yes, this is the smallest number. Then for C part, greatest number using the digit. Start with the greatest digit 9, then 6, then 3, then 2, then 0. Yes. Or smallest number, start with the smallest digit which is 0. But starting the number, writing the number with 0 has no meaning. So this I will write 2 0, 2 0, 3, 6, 9. 2 0, 3, 6, 9. For smallest number, start with the smallest digit. Then 7 0 8 1, greatest number, start with the greatest digit 8, 7, 1 0. Then smallest number, start with the smallest digit 0, 1, yes. But starting the number with 0 has no meaning, so 1 0, instead of 0 1 I will write 1 0. 1 0 7, 1 0 7 8, 1 0 7 8. Yes, 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 yes. Now for greatest, 1 0 2 7 6 5 8, I will start with greatest digit 8, after 8 7, then 6, then 5, then 4 is not there, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. Yes, yes. Greatest number. Now smallest number. Wait. I will start with 1, 0, 2, after 2, 3, then 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the, yes, smallest number. So what is, yes. In mobile it is clear. Yes. So whenever there is fluctuation, it will be hardly for 1 second, 2 seconds. Yes, right. So for greatest number, you start with the greatest digit. Yes. For greatest number, start with the greatest digit, and for smallest numbers, voice is coming. For smallest number, start with the smallest digit. Yes. Write first. Write the greatest number and the smallest number using the given digits. Yes. 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 Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes, don't write Rohit Thakkar in that chat box. Yes, that you forward to me on the personal WhatsApp number. I will forward it to the school authorities. Then they will take the appropriate action. So please don't send anything. Question number 8 over. Yes. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Now let us erase this part. So now we have seen how to find the greatest number and the smallest number using the digits. Yes. Now we'll see question number 9. 9 question, you have to think properly and if you have full concentration, then only you will be able to see the answer. So ninth one, you require very much concentration. So you all of you will mute the microphone and listen properly. Question number 9. Question number 9. Yes, mute the microphone and wait. See, 9. First, write the A part. Yes, greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. Yes, mute the microphone. Greatest 4-digit number with 3 different digits. With 3 different digits. Highest with 3 different digits. With 3 different digits. Yes, you have to write the greatest 4-digit number. 4-digit number. 1 digit, then 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. Yes. Greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number where 3 digits are different. What is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. Is it clear? This is the greatest 4-digit number. But in this greatest, all the digits are same. The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. But all the digits are same. What we want? We want 3 digits different. We want 3. Yes, voice is coming. Listen properly. Yes. See, wait. Voice is coming. You listen it properly. Mute the microphone. Yes. So it is 9987. Wait. 9987. Total how many digits are there? 987. 3 digits are there. And we want 4-digit number. But 3 digits should be different. 3 different digits are 987. So answer is 9987. Yes. Yes, it is coming. Yes. See here. Arey, mute the microphone and let me explain. You are not muting the microphone, then how others will be able to listen? So please mute the microphone. It is a humble request. Now see. Yes, that is what. See here. 9999. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Correct? Greatest 4-digit number. We want 3 digit different. So these two are same. This I will write 8. This I will write 7. So there are 3 digits different. 987. We want 3 different digits. So 987. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Where 9. See, 1 digit can repeat. 1 digit can repeat. But even after 9 is repeating, there are digits 8 and 7 also. So total there are digits 9, 8, 7. 3 different digits. So you have to repeat 1 digit. When 3 digits are given, see, when 3 digits are given, what is the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Yes, greatest 4-digit number is 9999. We want 3 digit different. Here all digits are same. All digits are same. We want 3 digit different. That is what I am telling. We want 3 digit difference. So these two are same. These two I can replace. This I can write 8. This I can write 7. then it becomes 4-digit number where 3 digits are different. This 987. Yes. No. How you can write other numbers? You want greatest 4-digit number. Wait. Yes. No. See here. 99. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Wait. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Now we want. Now in. Wait. In this, all the digits are equal. We want 3 different digits. 3 different digits. So these two I will keep same because we want greatest number. So these two I will keep same, 9 only. Then these two I will change. These two, after 9 there is 8, after 7. Is it clear? Yes. Now second. Yes. Now second. Yes. Who is singing? Smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number with 3 different digits. With 3 different digits. With 3 different digits. Smallest 5-digit number with 3 different digits. With 3 different digits. Now we want 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now it is the smallest 5-digit number. What is the? Yes. Wait. Please mute the. What? No. See here. No. See here. These two 9 will be same. These two 9 will be same. Yes. 4-digit number. No. 4-digit number where 3 digits are different. No, 3 digits are different. Where 2 digits are different. What are the different digits? 1 digit. 9 means 1 digit. 9, 8, 7. 3 digits are there. No. Even though these two are same, but which digit is there? 9 is there. In both the digit 9 is there. So 9, 8, 7. There are 3 different digits. 3 different digits are 9, 8, 7. And 4-digit number will be 9, 9, 8, 7. Now let us take smallest 5-digit number is 1000. Sorry, 10,000 is smallest 4-digit. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Now we want 3 digits different. So 1 is there, then 0, 0. Now this I will replace by some other digits. Last one I will replace by some other digit 2. So that how many digits are there? 1, 0, then 2. There are 3 different digits. 1, 0 and 2. So this I will. Yes. This I will write 1, 0, 2. Yes. 1, 0, 2. 10,002. That is what. See, you want 5-digit. See, you want smallest 5-digit number. You want You want smallest 5-digit number. Wait. Uh, wait. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Wait. See, and this 100, this I will replace by 2. So 10,002. 3 different digits. See, because we want 3 different digits, no? 10000. Yes. Because we want 3 different digits. So last one 0 I will replace by 2. Mute the microphone and listen. Greatest. C is greatest. 6. Yes, mute the microphone. Greatest 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number with 5 in 1000 place. With 5 in 1000 place. We want the digit 5 in 1000 place. Greatest 6-digit number with digit 5 in the 1000 place. Now we want 6-digit number. We want 6-digit number. So now one digit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. Yes. Greatest 6-digit number with 5 in 1000 place. So in 1000 place we want 5. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000. In this 1000 place there must be 5. This condition is given. Greatest 6-digit number with 5 in 1000 place. So now you tell me what is the greatest 6-digit number? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. This is the greatest 6-digit number. Now, yes. So now I will start 9, 9, 8. 9, 8. Yes. Wait. 9, 8, 5. After 8 there is 7. But this 9, 8, 5, 7, 6, 4. This at 1000 place there must be 5. So for greatest I will start with the greatest digit 9, 8. Then this is already 5 is there. So after 8, 7, then 6, then 5 is already there, 4. No. It should be 9, 8, 5, 7, 6, 4. We want 5 in 1000 place. We want this. We want 5 in the 1000 place. Yes. No, all the digits are 9, 9. Then the greatest you want. Yes. Which where? Yes. You can start with 9, no? You can start with 9, then 8, then 5. Where? No, you want greatest. Which one? Great. See, this you can take. This, wait. this you can take the case all digits are different. Let me take all digits are different. All digits are different. Let me take this case. And let me write this case additionally. No, all digits are different. When all digits are different, the greatest 6-digit number with 5 in 1000 place, this additional condition I will write all digits are different. When all digits are different. Then smallest 5-digit number with 0 in 100 place. Smallest 5-digit number with 0 in 100 place. Smallest 5-digit number D. Smallest 5-digit number. Yes, all of you can hear me? Yes. Smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number with 0 in 100 place. 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 Yes. 5-digit number with 0 in 100 place. So 0 in 100 place, I can take this as 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Clear? So 10,000. Where this 100 place, this is 0, tens. See, because you want 0 in the 100 place. So there 0 is in the 100 place. What is the smallest 5-digit number? Tell me. Smallest 5-digit number is 1 lakh. Sorry. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000, in which there is 0 in the 100 place. This is my 100 place, no? This is ones, this is tens, this is 100. So 0 is in the 100 place. So that number is 10,000. In 10,000, we have 0 in the 100 place. In 10,000, we have 0. Yes, you can repeat the digit. Repeat the digit. Now next is question number 10A. Question number 10A. Use the digit 183. Yes, I am writing. Use the digits 183. What happens? Question I am writing. Question number 10A. Use the digits 183. Use the digit 183 and make all possible different numbers. Make all possible possible what different numbers of 3 digit use the digit 183. Yes, nobody will write anything in the chat box. Use the digit 183 and make all possible different number of 3 digits. So using this digit 183, you have to make 3-digit number. You have to make 3-digit numbers using the digit 183. So in this you have to take, yes, in this you have to take the repetition of digit also. The repetition of digit also you have to take all possible numbers. Yes. 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 Make all possible number of 3 digits. So this is, I am going to give homework this part. You have to list all the numbers with repetition. Yes. Yes, yes. 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 So now this, using the digit 183, write all the 3-digit numbers. Yes. Speak. Yes. Yes. Mass all the way. From the digit, next B part. From the digit, right, from the digit, next B. From the digit 506, 506, make 5 numbers. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. So in, you have to repeat the digit also, no? You have to repeat the digit. 111, 111, 111, 138, 183. Then 333, 318, that way. Make all this. In this total there will be 27 numbers. First one. Total 27 numbers will be there. That you have to write all the 27 numbers. So write total 27 numbers. Right. If you want, write the total 27 numbers. Total 27 numbers. No, I have given you the hint, total 27 numbers. Yes? Yes. From the digit 506, make 5 numbers, make 5 numbers, each with 6 digit, each with 6 digit. So using digit 506, make 5, yes, 27 number will be there. You have to repeat the digit also. 111, 333, 888. Then, yes, you have to repeat the digit also. Wait. Let me write. Wait, still we have time. Now time is there.
Time up.
Time is there. Wait. 506. 560, write this. 506, wait, 506, write one number, then 566, 506 digit, 566, 500, then I can write 5 numbers you have to write. 650, wait, 650, 6065, this is third number, fourth number, you can have to repeat the digit. 665, 656, wait, then 606, 065. These are 5 numbers. These are 5 numbers. These are 5-6 digit numbers. Yes. Yes. Yes.